In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple calculator using Python. So first we have the operator variable with an input, then a variable of the first number, and we make sure to convert the input to a float. Do the same second number, alright? So we have three variables: the operator, the first number, and the second number. What we did here is make a code that reads these three variables. Now we make the code do the calculation. How? By using if statements. So if operator equal to plus result receive number 1 plus number 2, then print result. Now we do the same with the other operators. So else if operator equal to minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division. Now we copy what we did with the addition and paste it with the rest. Then we make sure to change the operator. Now we save the code with Ctrl S and we run the code. So first we enter the operator. For example, I'll try the division. Then we enter the first number, the second number, and here we go, we have the result. And this is how to make a calculator using Python. And this is it, guys. See you next time.